camera! That didn't work, so we're sticking with what we're used to. Hey guys, so I want to talk about two things today. One, kind of Franta coming out, and the other, Darude Sandstorm. So as you may know by now, kind of Franta recently came out to his following, and I don't think people understand how hard it is, and it's probably even harder for him because he came out to a lot, like 3 million people. I don't know. I'll check later. But yeah, he came out to a lot of people. And for someone to come out of the closet as gay in this day and age, it should be better because it's 2014. But it still has like a negative tone to it. I don't understand why. People just don't understand. It's not a choice. I wish these people would shut up! Trying to film a video. I said this. I told them I was gonna make a video. Told them I was making a video. They just continue to be loud. Listen up, children. Give it adults the benefit of the doubt. Benefit of the doubt. I hope that no one over the age of 18 is doing this. You know, this. Oh my gosh, like, what is that song?
Darude Sandstorm.
Y'all are probably saying, oh, it's not that big of a deal, it's funny! But it's not funny anymore. It's been going on for like too long. Too fucking long. Okay. A day, ha ha ha. 2 days, ha ha ha. A week, ha ha ha. A month, ha. 2 months, it's tired. Put it to rest. Stop it. Nip it in the bud right now. Stop saying it. It's not funny. It's not cute. Stop being childish and grow the hell up. Thanks guys for watching. Bye bye, Timberblade. See you tomorrow.